Hi guys, I'm Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another brand new bike, that is Hero Extreme 160R. So in this video I'll be talking about the features, what this new bike has, and let's go for the test ride also. And let's see how this bike performs. So this is the all new Hero Extreme 160R BS6 model. So basically this bike has fuel injection technology, 160cc, 15.2 PS at 14 Newton meters of torque. So these are exact technical specifications of this, like these are the engine figures, and let me tell you what are the features are added on this. So basically this has programmed fuel injection, and you can see the catalytic converter here which reduces the pollution. So if you can see in the front, you can see all new LED setup in the front, and you got small turn signals with 3-spot LEDs. So this is how DRL looks like, and this is about the low beam and high beam, and Hero logo is placed here. And if you can see the front wheels, you have 100 by 80 17-inch wheels in the front and 130 70 17 in the rear, and you got pedal disc with single channel ABS unit. So you have got twin disc setup and single channel ABS. And let me show you the engine part. So if you can see the engine part, so this is a sensor, and the main addition is this kick rod. So basically all the BS6 vehicles have ditched the kick rod. So basically this bike also has kick rod, which is very good. Like if the battery goes dead, this helps a lot in starting the vehicle. And you got adjustable suspension in the back, and muffler is also redesigned. Rear tire size is very big, and you got all new LED tail light as well, and you got grab handles here, and you have got a single seat setup. And coming to its instrumentation cluster, let me turn off and on it. So this is the RPM, odometer, tachometer, trip A, trip B, fuel gauge. So basically these are the features you get in this. And you have got side stand indicator, engine malfunction symbol, neutral, high beam indicators, and ABS. And coming to the switches, you have got hazard light switched as standard. Now you no need to put any aftermarket hazard light, so you got hazard light as standard. And if you can see the right side switches, you got engine off, engine on, and engine start button. So now let's take this bike for a ride and see how this bike performs. So before starting our ride, let me hear you the exhaust note of this. Now let's go for a ride. The engine sound is very smooth. Now let's start our ride. The engine is very refined, like I can feel the smoothness in the engine. And you have got 15.2 PS of power, which is very good for 160cc. And so first impressions, the ride comfort is very good. The suspension is very soft. So the rear suspension is very soft when compared with the front one. And the main addition to the bike is the hazard light switch, which helps a lot in foggy conditions and in emergency situations. And let me tell you one more thing, the speedometer and ABS are turned off because this is a brand new bike. Actually this bike has just reached the local dealership from the transport, and I got a call and I came out directly. So I'm sorry that I'm not wearing any gloves, because I kept my gloves for sanitizing, they didn't go dry, so I just came up with the bare hands. So please ignore that. And let me give you the power. So red line's at 9000 RPM, 9500 RPM, like it's almost touching 9000 to 10,000, so which is very good. So I think the speed will be around 80 currently what I am doing. So this is what I feel when I am riding this bike. Though the power is very linear, it's not too high, not too low. So the power band is kept very linear. Like you can easily cruise at speed of 80, 90 easily, and even you can do at 100, 110 with no problems, because this is a 160cc engine with 15.2. You can easily touch 110 easily. So ride comfort is very good. suspension, the mainly suspension is very good, it's very soft. And you all know that Hero makes good bikes which comes in the price bracket of each and every normal person. So this bike is priced at rupees 1,15,000 to 1,20,000 on road. So this will be in between 115 to 120 on road price. So you can go to the local dealerships and get know about this on road prices. So prices will be different depending upon your current location where you are living in. Let me tell you one more thing, this bike is a best budget bike because the pricing of this bike is kept in very decent, like 115 to 120, where you have other competitors like Bajaj Pulsar and Honda CB Unicorn. So these are the only bikes which are direct rival for this bike. And even you can compare with Apache, but the pricing of Apache is very high, like it's close to 1,30,000. So this bike doesn't fit in that category. So overall this is very good bike, like you can even take your family along with you because the seat height is very less, like even the persons who are 5'5" can also easily ride this bike. So I can say this is one of the best budget bike because you got all new facilities like LED lights, LED indicators, digital display, hazard lights and broad tires. So these are all the features you are getting at a good price point. So I feel this is very good bike in its segment. So even it looks sporty and even you can take your family along with you. So this is all about this bike. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And those who are watching my content for the first time, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get notifications immediately when I upload a video. So, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye. I'm Ravi Kiran signing off.